Hi, it's Adam here from Lifestyle and Mobility, and the scooters I have for you today are the Evo dual wheel electric folding scooter that goes straight into your boot. If you want to know why these fly off the shelf, it's simple. You don't have to do anything to fold them down. I just stand up, the back instantly full folds by itself. All I have to do now is just push this cool red button on the controller and it packs down the same way it will do to go up. They come in these awesome, cool, funky colors, the bronze, the purple, the maroon, and they're ridiculously light at under 20 kilos. They can go straight into your boot. And when you make a purchase, you get a free 100-pound carry bag. Let's go and see some of the cooler features that we have for you today. What I love about the Evo is it's not only just light, so easy to use, can fold up and go anywhere. If you are someone that likes to travel, that likes to go with your family, but still has a car or still uses a bus, this can go anywhere you want. And it's so simple. The features still make it stable. As you look down here, we've got the dual wheel at the front. It's not actually a true three-wheeler, it is still four wheels. This creates extra stability, but also provides the width on such a small compact scooter to still have spacing for your feet, and so it's nice and comfortable on the ride. Of course, we've got this instant foldable here. We've got the cool alloy wheels, solid tires. You've got the cool little dash, just battery range, a nice loud horn actually, lights, of course, speed dial, and this wicked little remote control, which you saw before. And of course, the free carry bag. What's great about this is it's ridiculously padded. It's going to keep this protected and safe, and it doesn't limit its usability at all. As you can see, I can fully wheel this around, which is going to be great for going on the bus. And of course, as you said, this is great for travel. So planes, cruise ships, these are where people go to. This is the go-to purchase for that type of product. So if you're after a ridiculously light and foldable scooter that is compact and can be put away anywhere and can be taken anywhere, this is definitely the scooter for you. Come in store for a free assessment, or we can do assessment at home. You know where to find us. You know our number. It is 01702 417 088, or of course our website at www.lifestyleandmobility.co.uk. We will see you soon.